Hi, hey, how's it going? I'm Corey here with Layers of Grace Designs. Today, we have a very important and also a safety tip. We're going to test this piece here for lead. So we got a customer that has this solid maple piece here and they want this paint stripped off. It's a very, very old piece. So just with the date of it, it has multiple finishes on top. I want to kind of make sure that we're not dealing with a lead-based paint. If you have something that's lead-based, you can't sand it. That dust in the air is going to trap into your lungs. It's very, very unsafe and hazardous and also dangerous. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little lead test. I get these on Amazon. I can put a link in the description, or you can always just message us and we'll tell you exactly which ones we like to use. The Skidus, I believe, is the brand. $16, you get quite a few swabs in here. In order to do this, you wanna make sure you have a good area. We used some paint stripper and some 3M pads, and we took off the antique finishes so we can get down to this really, really hard layer of paint. This is just super, super hard. Most likely it's like an oil enamel, but it just doesn't come off very easy. And so we wanna make sure, we wanna test for lead. So I pull one of these out of here. I'm gonna have white vinegar I'm gonna dip it into. And we're gonna dip. And then I'll shake off. You want to wait till it turns to this kind of mustard yellow. Once you have that and you have any excess off, you want to find a nice area that you can kind of go in with. And then we're going to rub for about 30 seconds and see what we get. Now on the container itself, it has a little chart that will tell you lead detected versus no lead detected. We're about close to 30 seconds in, and we're gonna go ahead and look at our color. And we have this nice orange color. We are definitely in a no lead detected range. So that means that we can take our paint strippers, we can take off whatever antique finish. There's also a layer of green paint that's on here. And then we can get our power sanders out and we can get this thing down to its natural wood and get it back to our customer. We appreciate you watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.